Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to open a dispute on eBay. To open a dispute on eBay, start by visiting the eBay Resolution Center and signing into your account. Once there, select the option that best describes your issue, such as item not received or item does not match the description. Enter all relevant details about the transaction, including the item number and any messages exchanged with the seller, and attach any supporting photos or documents if applicable. After submitting your dispute, the seller has up to 3 days to respond. If the issue remains unresolved, you can escalate the case to eBay, who will review the situation and usually provide a resolution within 48 hours. This process helps ensure a fair outcome while keeping your account protected and maintaining your confidence in buying and selling online. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.